Hi guys. Today I've been saving up for a bit, and I've got my seagull. Wait, what? I didn't know it was on purple, but oh well. Yeah, I finally got my seagull. I've been saving up for it, and I've decided to call him Jhon. It's Jhon the seagull. And I'm going to go ask people and see what they think of my seagull. And they're going to rate it out of 10. Best seagull ever?
Just one balloon.
Yeah.
Not my
Pet him. Pet my seagull.
I can't read English.
A score of 10, what do you rate him out of?
1,000 out of 1,000.
Thank you. Guys, before you leave, the server is dead. Hey you, J-Man fan, what do you think of my seagull? You like it?
Very good.
A score out of 10. What's the score out of 10?
8. Guys, don't get me.
Oh my, you. What do you rate my seagull out of 10?
What's his name first?
Jhon. His name's Jhon.
Jhon the seagull.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he's an 8, to be honest. 8.
Thanks. So, that's the people. Those people think it is quite a good score. And everyone, say your score in the comments, or I'll kill you.